Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with a weekly weather briefing. I'll talk about how we're expecting patchy early morning fog. That'll be dense in areas and it will remain a concern each morning going into the weekend. We have much warmer than normal temperatures today and over the last couple of days. These warmer than normal temperatures and dry weather will also continue into the weekend. There will be a strong cold front on Sunday that'll bring rain, followed by much colder temperatures. For today and the last several days, we've had high pressure surface in aloft. And this weather map is showing you a surface weather map, so it doesn't have features that are aloft, but there's ridging aloft over our region as well as a surface high, and they'll continue to dominate through Friday and into the weekend over our region. This will maintain warmer than normal temperatures that we've been seeing and result in mostly dry weather through at least Saturday. So each morning, we're expecting some portion of our county warning area to see at least patchy dense fog. This graphic shows what we're expecting for Friday morning, basically the Interstate 20 corridor and to the south, and we're expecting patchy dense fog with visibilities below a half to a quarter of a mile. This graphic will be updated going into Saturday and perhaps even Sunday morning, as it looks like at least patchy dense fog will be likely across portions of our area through the weekend. These two weather maps are expecting to show the cold front approaching our area on Sunday. That graphic is to the left, and we'll see rain chances increase Saturday night into Sunday ahead of this approaching cold front. It is expected to be a strong cold front. However, we're not expecting any severe weather with this cold front. And as you can see, by the time we get into Monday, the cold front should be pushing to our southeast with high pressure building in from the northwest, and this will bring in the very cold, dry air and result in cooler than normal temperatures through much of the next week. Okay, we've got a couple of graphics here. The one on the left is showing our temperature forecast for a few selected cities. And as you can see, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we've got nice warm colors in yellow, and the highs are generally in the 70s. And overnight lows, you can see mostly in the lower 60s. That Thursday already occurred this morning, and that was our coolest morning of the next 4 mornings. Well, by the time the cold front moves through Sunday night, you can see by the second half of the chart, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, that we're expecting much cooler temperatures. Looks like the coldest morning perhaps would be on Tuesday morning as we get in there. It looks like some mid-20s are not out of the question. And if you look at the graphic on the right, you can see that much of the span between today and next Thursday, there's very little chance for rain. We're expecting dry weather through much of the time frame. The highest chance for rain and the greatest amounts, which are going to be less than 1/10 of an inch, are expected in the Sunday night into Monday morning as that cold front moves through the area. This graphic shows the 7-day rainfall amounts, and if you focus on Mississippi, Louisiana, our county warning area, we're expecting less than 1/10 of an inch over the next week. And all of it will be in this Sunday, Monday time frame. Okay, to summarize, I talked a little bit about the patchy early morning dense fog. That'll be a concern each morning going into the weekend. Talked a little bit about the much warmer than normal temperatures and the dry weather that we have been experiencing and how that will continue into the weekend as well. There will be a strong cold front Sunday night into Monday morning, and it'll bring rain chances, our best chance through the week, followed by much colder temperatures that looks to last through next Thursday. This concludes this week's multimedia weather briefing for the National Weather Service in Jackson, and the next regularly scheduled briefing will be held Friday, January 2nd of 2026.